Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Dinosaur Suitcase is probably one of the most exciting and practical travel solutions for families with young children, transforming a potentially stressful journey into an adventurous expedition. It not only sparks a child's imagination but also provides a dedicated space for their belongings, ensuring a smoother and more enjoyable travel experience for everyone involved. Number 5. Yodo 3-Way Kid Suitcase. It's the perfect travel companion for your little one, combining the convenience of a rolling suitcase with the versatility of a backpack. Carry it as a suitcase, pull it along with the wheels, or wear it as a backpack. It adapts to your child's needs and your travel style. It has plenty of room for all their travel essentials. The multiple compartments help keep everything neat and tidy. Made from high-quality, durable materials, it's built to withstand the rigors of travel. Safety features ensure peace of mind. Available in a variety of fun and vibrant colors and designs, it's sure to be a favorite with your child. It makes traveling fun. The smooth rolling wheels and comfortable handle make it easy for your child to pull it along. No more struggling with heavy luggage. What we like. It can be used as a suitcase, backpack, or rolling bag, making it incredibly versatile. If you need a bag that can adapt to different situations and your child's preferences, this is the one for you. It's perfect for toddlers who are just starting to travel independently, or for parents who want a convenient way to carry their child's belongings. What people say. The 3-in-1 design is incredibly convenient. It easily converts from a traditional suitcase to a backpack or even a ride-on, which makes airport travel so much fun for my toddler. The quality is outstanding, it's sturdy, well-built, and looks like it will hold up for many trips to come. The vibrant colors and fun design make it a hit with my child, and it's also surprisingly spacious for its compact size, fitting all of their essentials with room to spare. The wheels roll smoothly, and the handle is adjustable, making it easy for both of us to maneuver. The design and construction of this bag is very well thought out. 1. As a backpack, you can cover the rolling wheels with the attached protective fabric pouch and lock down the handle. 2. As a rolling luggage, you can tuck away the backpack straps into the pocket on the back and extend the handle. Number 4. EMISSARY Dinosaur Luggage Set. It's the perfect way for your child to travel in style. They'll love rolling their own suitcase through the airport. With its vibrant dinosaur design, this set is both fun and functional. Kids will be excited to pack their bags. Made from lightweight ABS plastic, it's easy for little ones to handle themselves. No more struggling with heavy bags. The suitcase and backpack are the ideal size for carry-on, making travel a breeze. Everything they need is right there. Searching for a gift that kids and parents will love? This set is a surefire hit for birthdays or holidays. It's suitable for children aged 3 to 8. What we like. Its hard-shell design provides excellent protection for your child's belongings, while the spinner wheels make it easy for them to maneuver through airports and other busy places. If you prioritize durability and ease of use, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for kids who are a little older and more independent, and who need a suitcase that can withstand the rigors of travel. What people say. It fits nicely on the plane. Decent quality, very soft pillow. Looks and feels great. The backpack is the perfect size and he loves pulling around his own suitcase. Great value for the money and very well made. Pretty lightweight, which is good, but I expect it to dent easily. And the mini backpack is super cute. Number 3. Kids Rolling Suitcase. Say goodbye to lugging heavy bags. It's lightweight and easy for kids to roll themselves. It's built to withstand the bumps and scrapes of travel, and comes in fun colors and designs that kids will love. The smooth rolling wheels make navigating airports and sidewalks a breeze. No more struggling with heavy suitcases. It meets most airline carry-on size restrictions, so it's perfect for family vacations. No more checked baggage fees. It has plenty of room for all their travel essentials, from clothes and toys to books and snacks. Everything they need is right at their fingertips. Give the gift of independent travel. It's the perfect present for birthdays or holidays. What we like. This compact suitcase is perfect for airline carry-on requirements, saving you the hassle of checking bags. If you're looking for a convenient and space-saving option for your toddler's belongings, this is a great choice. It's ideal for families who frequently travel by air and want to avoid checked baggage fees. What people say. The suitcase worked out great, not only to bring her clothing and stuff along, but also because she could pull it by herself. The wheels were sturdy and the material was great quality. The zipper closure kept everything inside. The weight of the actual suitcase was light enough for the baby to roll around the house. It rolls well and he is easily able to pull it himself, which he loves. It has plenty of space for several books, coloring books, crayons, his small block set, some cars and dinosaurs that he normally packs. It would easily fit several days' worth of clothes if you used it for that. It zips well and seems to be really good quality. The wheels are durable and glide smoothly, making it easy for little ones to roll around. The exterior is soft, which is great for handling but might show wear a bit quicker. My son loved pulling it around the airport and had no problem doing it himself. Number 2. Toddler Dinosaur Luggage. It's more than just a suitcase, it's a fun, friendly travel buddy designed for little adventurers. Watch your child's face light up as they roll their own bag. With padded straps and a sturdy zipper, it's easy for even the youngest travelers to open and close. No more struggling with zippers. It comes with a removable dinosaur toy. Your child can take their new friend anywhere, on the plane, to grandma's house, or even to bed. Looking for a birthday or holiday gift? This is perfect for dinosaur-loving kids ages 3 to 9. It's a gift they'll actually use and love. It's the ideal size for carrying toys and essentials. Your child will be entertained throughout the journey, making travel fun for everyone. Made with high-quality materials, it's built to last. The adjustable straps ensure a comfortable fit for active kids. What we like. It comes with a fun dinosaur toy that can be removed and played with separately, keeping your child entertained during travel. If you're looking for a fun and engaging way to keep your child occupied on the go, this is a perfect option. It's especially suitable for younger children who need something to keep them entertained during long journeys. What people say. The quality is outstanding, it's well made, durable, and holds up to all the daily adventures a toddler gets into. Another favorite feature is the little side pocket, perfect for a slim water bottle or slim cup, making it super convenient for trips out and about. It's very well made of a corduroy material as is the dinosaur. The zippers all work well and glide smoothly. Number 1. Rockland Jr. Dinosaur Luggage. This suitcase is designed for young travelers. It's lightweight and easy for little ones to maneuver. Its durable polycarbonate shell protects your belongings while keeping it lightweight for easy carrying. The handle adjusts to the perfect height for both parents and kids. It makes airport travel a breeze. These smooth rolling wheels make navigating any surface a breeze. It spins effortlessly in any direction. Little hands will love the rubber zipper pulls. They're easy to grab and pull, even for the smallest of fingers. It's fully lined and offers plenty of room for all your travel essentials. Pack everything you need for your next adventure. At 19 inches, it meets most airline carry-on size requirements. It's the perfect size for a weekend getaway or a longer trip. What we like. This stylish and durable hardshell suitcase features 360-degree spinner wheels for effortless maneuverability. If you value a suitcase that is both durable and easy to handle, this is the one for you. It's a great choice for kids who are ready for a more sophisticated piece of luggage and parents who appreciate quality construction. What people say. The wheels turn in all directions, which is very handy for walking with it. It fits my laptop, which is what I needed it for. The handle extends to be comfortable for a teen, though I'm 5 feet 1 inch, it isn't just for small kids. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.